Most people assume custom-made garments are expensive and complicated to produce, but that isn't always true. TUKATECH offers solutions that streamline and automate the entire process. With the TUKA MTM Plus service, your custom-made process could be completed in only a few clicks. Capture your customer's measurement with a body scanner or measure. Then simply send it to tukaweb.com. We'll modify the pattern to your customer's measurements, then provide you with the marker, pattern, and cut file to proceed. Once satisfied with everything, the Innovation Center by TUKATECH can cut and sew the garment for you. For more information, please send an email to tukateam@tukatech.com.